Hello everyone. Today I am showing you how to do dot mandala art on a 12-inch round MDF board. Let me show you how to construct a mandala grid. For that, you will need a compass, protractor, ruler and pencil. This grid is helpful in drawing a perfect mandala. Take a ruler and draw a straight line passing through the center. It should measure 12 inches. Mark the center point. Place the protractor in the center. And mark a vertical line exactly at the right angle. Check with the protractor again. Then mark for every 10 degrees, covering the entire circle. Draw straight lines passing through the center as shown in the video. Take a compass, place it in the center and draw circles, increasing ½ inch approximately each time. Take a palette which has cups. The paint should be of fluid consistency. Here I am using Little Birdie acrylic pouring paints which are smooth, glossy and make perfect dots. Here I am using blue, teal, pink and white acrylic paints. To thicken the paint, I use Camlin acrylic gel medium. Mix a little quantity with the paints to get the right consistency. Let's start dotting. Starting with the smallest dotting tool. These are the dotting tools. They are available on Amazon. Links to the products are given in the description below. Gradually increasing the size of the dots. I am adding swipes with the dotting tools to make the mandala attractive. Adding more swipes and swooshes. Here I am adding a little white acrylic paint to get different tints of blue and pink. Now I walk the dots with tints of pink. To learn the different techniques of dot mandala painting, you can attend my workshops which I conduct online. Here I am walking the dots to get petal-like shapes. Some more swipes and swooshes with tints of blue. Now I am making circles with big dots with pink, blue and teal. Adding small dots around the big dots. Making lotus shapes with swipes. This is how it looks after completion. I arranged it in a beautiful corner of my home. If you like my art, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.